Now that we understand why data quality matters, let's talk about data hygiene. Data hygiene refers to the processes and standards used to keep data accurate, consistent, and usable over time. Strong data hygiene is essential because it directly improves the reliability of automation and the performance of AI systems. Think of data hygiene as good housekeeping for your data. When data is clean and well organized, systems work better and errors are reduced. Consistency. Let's start with consistency. Consistency means that the same type of data is represented in the same way across all systems and files. For example, using a standard date format everywhere, applying consistent naming conventions for vendors and accounts, using standardized currency codes instead of free text entries. When data is inconsistent, systems struggle to recognize patterns or apply rules correctly. Even small differences, like extra spaces, abbreviations, or different date formats, can cause automation to fail. Consistency makes data predictable, and predictability is critical for AI and automation. Formatting and structure. Next, let's look at formatting and structure. AI and automation tools work best with structured data, data that is organized in a clear and logical way. Good formatting practices include keeping one data point per column, avoiding merged cells in spreadsheets, using clear and meaningful column headers, ensuring numeric values are stored as numbers, not as text. Proper formatting allows systems to read, process, and analyze data efficiently. It also reduces errors during automation and makes troubleshooting much easier. Reducing manual entry errors. Finally, let's address manual data entry. Manual data entry is one of the largest sources of data quality issues in finance. Common problems include typographical errors, inconsistent abbreviations, copy and paste mistakes. To reduce these risks, it's important to follow best practices such as automating data capture wherever possible, using validation rules and drop-down lists, minimizing rekeying between systems. Reducing manual entry doesn't just improve accuracy, it also saves time and reduces frustration for finance teams. Good data hygiene is not about perfection. It's about creating reliable, repeatable processes that allow AI and automation to deliver consistent value.